Mobile Marketing Meetup. It's kind of pilot for us as well because we want to learn how things go here, and depending on that, we will continue to do these kind of events more frequently. But what we see is mobile marketing is something, or mobile itself is growing in India, and pretty much all the e-commerce, travel, hyperlocal, mobile is a big focus for most of the internet commerce companies. And we felt that there's a need for more of like informal platform where people can come together and share about the best practices on mobile marketing, and network, and learn from each other. So this is really a informal meetup where we want people to come together, be open about their challenges, problems with mobile marketing, and we have some experts who will talk about their experience. But really want to create a community which can come together frequently and discuss the mobile marketing related topics. My name is Mukesh Agarwal. I'm a CEO of RevX, and agenda is pretty straightforward. We will briefly talk about what the RevX does, and after that we will talk about app retargeting, how to get started, what is app retargeting, how do you really prepare yourself for mobile marketing, what are the best practices around that. So we have Piyush Bhargav, who is from Ajio, Sanjay Trisal, who is from AppsFlyer, Deepak, Gandotra from Flipkart, and myself, Mukesh. They will come on stage and introduce themselves later. So what is RevX? In RevX, we are a mobile performance marketing platform. What that means is anybody who has a mobile app, and if they want to get more users, if they want to drive the engagement of the user with the mobile app, we provide the technology behind it. That's what we do as a tech company. Typically, we work with anybody who has mobile app-based transactions. So these are e-commerce companies like Flipkart, like Snapdeal, Myntra, travel companies like Make My Trip, gaming guys where you are playing the game and you in-app purchasing gaming, hyperlocal like Swiggy, food delivery apps. So anybody who has a mobile app to drive the business, those are kind of the customer we target. With our technology, basically what we do is we help them improve the retention and conversion rate of the mobile app. So we provide paid media solutions by which they can drive the engagement of the customer on the mobile app, and as a result of that, we drive increasing the conversion rate. I'm not going to some of these technical details here, but broadly, we have worked. So we started back in 2012 is when we started building our platform. We launched our platform in 2014, and in the last 3 years, we have executed about 7,000 campaigns across India, Southeast Asia, Middle East, and North America. And we have delivered up to 4 million in-app transactions so far. So we have scaled quite well in the market. We started the mobile first market like India, and over the last 3 years we have grown our business in Southeast Asia. We are present in 6 countries in Southeast Asia. Middle East, we are present in 6 countries in Middle East. And recently we launched a platform in the North America as well, and we are growing pretty rapidly, along with some of our partners who are present here. We are invested by some of the leading venture firms, Nexus, Helion, MVP, DFT, and People. The RevX is essentially a spin-off of another company called Kogli Media. So we were founded as Kogli Media back in 2007, and we built a platform inside Kogli Media about 2 years back. We spun out that platform as a separate company with a focus on mobile app marketing. So what problem we solve? Like if you are in the mobile marketing space, or if you are into mobile focused businesses, a lot of mobile marketers are spending a ton of money in driving the users, right? You spend money on Facebook, spend money on Google to have the user install the app, right? But if you look at the current trend in the mobile businesses, a user tend to have about 20 to 30 apps on the mobile device, right? But they might not be engaging with your app very frequently. So these are some of the numbers from the market, but average retention rate typically drops to 5% in 30 days. I mean, people install a lot of apps, but if they don't see the value of the app, they don't want to give a space on the mobile app to the on the device, right? So they will uninstall the app very rapidly. So within 30 days, 90% of the users will uninstall the app if you don't show the value of your app to the user. 60% chance that the user who didn't open the app in the first 7 days will never return. More now, a lot of marketers use, pretty much every marketers use app notification as a way to engage with the users, but then not everybody opt into app notification. The app notification rate is 60% so far. So you spend a lot of money on driving new users, but if you don't have the right retention strategy, if you don't have the right engagement strategy, then the chances are that the user will uninstall the app, and you will basically just lose the money which you have spent in driving the new user acquisition. So we are solving the problem of app retention. We provide technology which can help you increase the retention and the conversion rate on your mobile app through what we call retargeting. Now the way retargeting works is pretty simple. If you are a Flipkart customer, if you use Flipkart app to purchase some product, and if you don't complete the transaction, then we basically will, if you're playing some game, he will remind you that, hey, you left something in your shopping cart, so go complete the transaction. Or if you are on Facebook, then we will, pop up an ad which might be similar to the product which you might have looked in the Flipkart app, and remind you that, hey, we need to complete transaction on Flipkart. So that's the retargeting that we do, and very specifically mobile app is where we offer the solution for. So this is kind of a typical mobile app life cycle. When you acquire the customer, you would want to have customer use your app and activate the customer. So a customer might sign up in your service, and then you want customer to come and purchase something, make some transaction, and you want to retain the customer. So we don't typically focus on acquire phase of the mobile marketing life cycle. There are other companies like Mobi and other networks which does a good job of that. What we do is, once user has acquired your app or once user has installed the app, we help activate the user. So if user has installed the app but they have not signed up yet, we will come and help you try sign up for the users. Or if user has signed up, like you might have signed up for Myntra but you have not made any transaction, we will certainly give the user the right advertisements to help user come back to the app and drive the conversion. Or we also see that you don't want to lose your valuable customer. People who have been transacting on your mobile app, you want to retain them. You want to have them come back again and purchase more and more products. So we also help in retaining the customer who might be a loyal customer, but they might be at the verge of uninstalling the app for whatever reason. So these are the three main solutions we offer. Our platform is completely driven by technology. So audience engine is, basically our core engine which understands the user behavior. So when you are using a mobile app, we get to know what kind of user you are. Are you a frequent purchaser, recent user? Have you purchased in the past? How many times you have purchased on certain app, etc. So our audience engine helps us understand the behavior of users, and then we reach into various other publishers, other apps to buy the ads from those exchanges, and all the ads that we show to the users, these ads are the dynamic ads. And what that means is, we will show the ad which is most relevant to you. So if you are looking for shoes on certain mobile app, then we will show you the ad which is maybe related to the shoes you looked at, or a shoe similar to the shoes you looked at. So our goal is to really help drive the right products for the customer, for the e-commerce business, as well as help the users find the right products based on what they have done on the different e-commerce platforms. So that was about RevX. Just to summarize, we help a lot of e-commerce apps, food delivery apps, travel apps, drive engagement, drive retention. Would like to invite our panelists here for the panel discussion on various topics related to mobile app marketing. Even though the title says app retargeting, we'll go a bit broad and understand what the experience has been around, why they should, why some business should launch a mobile app, what are the different ways they acquire users, how they retain the users, how they really measure the success of the marketing spend they do on the mobile app.